So, hello my dear friends. Today we are going to learn about why build the MCP server and when not to build the MCP server. So, let's get started without wasting any time. So, three good reasons to build an MCP server. So, it's the tool with the world, enterprise tool library, and learn the plumbing. So, first, share tool with the world. Build us something very helpful. You can make it by yourself. But what this do? Package it as an MCP server and let anyone plug it into their model or agent instantly. No setup friction. That means you can share your own tool with the world without any setup friction or anything. It's very easy to set up and like that. An enterprise tool library it's an very useful for the enterprises or some big corporation or company to use this ncp server because it have an enterprise tool library. Multiple team multiple language can use it like publics every internal tool as an mcp server for a unified streamlined developer experience a company wide. Then learn the public. What is plumbing? The real reason we are here today because for the plumbing, of course, build one yourself to understand how MCP actually work under the hood, process boundary, protocol, and all the moving part. There is one reason not to build an MCP server. You are building a tool for yourself, and MCP hype has convinced you it's the right way. If you write a function in the Python and docstring and document it with the function underscore tool, you are done. Pass it directly to your agent. MCP is not needed here. So why MCP is not needed here? Because you pass it this function called adult function underscore tool. If you use it in the python, of course, if you use this function in the python, then you know not need to build an mcp here. Here's some other extra processing input output boundary io boundary, then added complexity. You can understand it by yourself. Then direct tool versus mcp server. So what are the difference? Here I have mentioned some pros and cons of the both. Direct tools, write your Python function, add docstring function underscore tool decorator. If you use this function, you don't need to make an MCP server. Then pass directly to agent. Zero extra overhead, no processing boundary, simple to debug. And on the other hand, mcp server, the tool sharing, where you can use the tool of the other and other can use your tool. So what, reusable by anyone, cross language compatible, great for enterprise. But what are the some cons? So extra processing overhead, std in and std out boundaries, more complex setup, overkill for own tool. These are some pros and cons of the both toolshin server. The core insight. The innovation is the tool. NCP is the only the delivery mechanism. It's like an code where I mentioned here. It's an code. So what are this? Own tools, other tool, and learning goals. Own tool mean, as name suggests, you can make your own tool, use them directly. The function is the tool, no intermediate needed. As you make your own tool, you don't need any intermediator. Then other tool, you use the other tool because it's provide more like function or anything. So you use the other tool, and MCP is the perfect for it because MCP provide the like tools that are already there. Okay, a clean standard interface for consuming external tool. The learning goal: build building MCP yourself is a valid education experience to understand internal, like it's and for an experimental purpose you can do it by yourself. Then what we are building today: write a tool, wrap it in MCP, spawn the process, and then last understand the plumbing. Like first one, a simple Python function with proper docstring. This is the real innovation. Lie, of course it's an innovation. Then wrap it in MCP, define the MCP server structure, expose the tool over the protocol interface, then spawn the pros, see how an MCP client connect with STD in and STD out channel, then understand the plumbing, like what it helps and when to skip it, some key ways. MCP is the standard for sharing and using tool across the model agent and team. Three great design of the MCP: tool sharing, enterprise library, and so on. That don't reach for MCP just because it's hyped. MCP is used for the tool sharing purpose. Then MCP had a process boundary complexity. Build your own MCP server. It's just for an education purpose. You can make it by yourself. Then the tool is the innovation. So today here we are done. We will see you in the next lecture.